So now that you've created your search and then created your dashboard, you want to be able to turn that into me so I can see it. And you also want to save it for yourself in case you're doing work for your final project using Meltwater. So first is your search. To save what I need of your search, I just need you to take a screenshot of it. So it's the top part that lists the keywords, right? And, you know, words that you might drag in as well, although it doesn't have to. And then you just grab your screenshotting program, which I'm using Snagit, I think. And I grab it like that, and then I can save it, right, as a file and attach that file to what I turn in. Go back to dashboards, which are under home. You choose your dashboard. And then what you need to do is mail it to yourself, essentially. So this little swooshy arrow, right? You can go to email dashboard, and you put your own email address in there. And you have to write something in the comment box, and then you just send it. You get the dashboard shared symbol, and then this is what it looks like when you get it from your email. Right? You can save this. I believe it saves as an image. Or I believe you could also export it if you wanted. You could print it as a PDF, for instance. And then you attach that. I want to make sure you sure you can see all of your widgets from your dashboard. That's how you do it. Now, because we have a very limited number of Meltwater searches and dashboards, it's really important that you do a search, you immediately create a dashboard investigating the things you want to find from that search, and that evening you export your work to yourself. I would grab a screenshot of the search, so if you want to come back to the search, you can recreate it exactly the way you had it before. And I would also export the dashboard, and perhaps make some notations about what the parameters were that I used in my dashboard, so that if I needed to recreate that, I could as well. The reason is because you need to delete both the search and the dashboard when you're done with this process, which should be, you know, in the course of 1 or 2 days. So that way other students can use Meltwater to complete their assignment as well, since we have, as I said, a limited number of searches and dashboards. If something stays up notably long, like, you know, more than a couple of days, I will have to delete it to make room for other students. And if I delete it, I can't guarantee that you've saved it. So I would rather you save it and then you delete it. Okay?